Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Caden. Today we're going to be learning how to do our first program in Python. Today we will be covering inputs and outputs of Python. Let's jump right into it. All you will need to do this is to have downloaded Python on your laptop and idle. Basically, these two work in sync to allow you to code whatever you like. So our first one is going to be the hello world, which is an output in Python. So basically all it's going to do is display the text hello world. So all we want to say for that is print, then we're going to use a bracket, we're going to say hello world, and then close that off, and that's us got our hello world. You need to make sure that you have saved it, or else it will not let you run your code. Then you go into run module, save it, and then there it is. So as you can see, it's just printed off hello world for us, just like we asked it to. Okay, now we're going to move on to our second part of today's code, which is now we're going to start using inputs. So inputs is when you send something, you interact with the code to finish it off. So in this case we will be asking for a first name, and we will allow it to display hello and then whatever you input as the first name. So we're just going to say first name equals, and then we're going to say space equals input, then we're just going to say please enter your first name. This is basically the question that is going to print just like our hello world. Then we're going to say print on a new line. We're going to say print hello, and then we're going to say, we're going to close off the brackets there. Not the brackets, the colons. We're then going to say first name. Okay, so this is us for our first name section of this, and we're just going to quickly run it, say OK to saving it. There we go. So it says please enter first name, so I'll just say my first name, and there you go. So that's all you have to do for that. It's a simple thing and it's quite good, it's quite interactive. We're now going to move on and just upgrade that slightly by in here adding a surname version to it. So same again, surname, and we're just going to say input, and then please enter surname. Gonna add in here those, and then close off our code, and then we're gonna add in here comma surname. This is basically telling the code now we're gonna ask him to say his first name and then his surname and then say his full name all together. So we're just gonna run that. Please enter your first name. It's Caden, and I'll just say for this coding. There we go. Let me know if that's worked for you guys. We're now just going to move on to a slightly more in-depth version of this with addition. So for this, it's just going to be please enter a first number, please enter a second number, and then the answer is, and then it'll tell us the answer. So all we're going to say is num, which is short for number, 1 equals, going to say int input. We're then going to say another bracket, speech, please enter your first number. We're then going to close that off there, like we did with our first ones. And then we're going to make sure that we close off that second one as well. We're then going to skip down to the next line and do the same thing, but this time for number 2. So num2 equals int input, please enter second number. Okay, close both of those off. Then we're going to say answer to let it add it up. Answer equals number 1 plus number 2. We're then going to go down another, and we're going to say print speech, the answer is, close that, comma, and then say answer. Okay, now I'm going to try and run this. Okay, please enter first number. I'm just going to do nice and simple, 2 plus 4, and the answer is 6. That was quite simple for you guys today. I'm going to continue on with this. We're going to just go through the basics of Python, and hopefully you guys can learn some stuff. I'm going to then use the information that I give you in these types of videos to then go and create more in-depth games other than the Scratch games and the Sphero games that I'll still be keeping up over the summer holidays. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss another video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.